Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Cadillac XT5 oil change system. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, you'll need to access your vehicle's infotainment system or the driver information center. Look for the main menu, then navigate through the options until you find the Oil Life display. This is your starting point for the reset process. Now, use the directional buttons, typically found on your steering wheel, to scroll through the various menus on your display. You're looking for a section often labeled Vehicle Information or Maintenance. Once you've found that, delve deeper into its submenus. Your goal is to locate the specific option that shows Oil Life Remaining. This will allow you to proceed with the reset. Once you have the Oil Life Remaining displayed, the next step is crucial. You'll need to press and hold the Set/Clear button. Keep it pressed for several seconds. You should observe the oil life percentage on your screen change, typically resetting to 100%. As soon as you see this change, you can release the button. This action confirms that the reset has been successfully initiated. To finalize and verify the oil life reset, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. Then, restart the engine as you normally would. Once the engine is running, check your oil life monitor again. It should now clearly display 100% oil life, indicating that the reset was successful. Congratulations, you've just reset your Cadillac XT5 oil life system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.